RGCC has an exciting therapy called SOT that I've used with several patients. SOT stands for supportive oligonucleotide therapy. With this treatment, we require a liquid biopsy, so a blood draw, from which we send this sample to RGCC lab in Greece, and they produce the circulating tumor cell population. Once they extract that circulating tumor cell population, they're able to screen it against a genetic base and look for what's called the most active epitope. What they're looking for is a gene sequence that's involved in protein synthesis that's allowing the cancer cells to avoid apoptosis. So apoptosis is the means by which healthy cells understands when they are becoming unhealthy or more deranged, tending towards more cancerous behavior, for example, and they're able to self-destruct or create self-suicide. In cancer cells, this mechanism is largely turned off, which is why the cancer cells, even though they're growing improperly, are able to continue to replicate and divide. So once RGCC targets this particular genetic epitope that's involved in protein synthesis, avoiding apoptosis, they're able to produce what's called a reverse mRNA. The reverse mRNA is a gene silencing mechanism by which they send me back a microcrystalline solution, which is the SOT, and I am able to reconstitute this and infuse it into my patient, where it will be active for 4 to 6 months. During that time, every time the mRNA attaches to its target, it turns off that protein generation that inhibits apoptosis, so it reinitiates the apoptosis mechanism and allows the cancer cells to self-destruct. The risk factor with this could be that if you've got tumors or too large a tumor burden in areas that are highly sensitive, like the lungs and brain, you could cause rapid tumor cell death. Tumor cell death that happens at this rapid level is called tumor lysis syndrome and can be a medical emergency. So obviously we want to trigger the right amount of tumor cell death because that's the intention with cancer therapy, but we want to do it in a controlled manner so that there's not too much swelling or inflammation. But SOT, by nature of being this highly stealth-targeted solution, can be exciting in terms of reducing tumor cell populations and having an effect against primary tumors to create this cell death, which allows the tumor to stop growing and dividing and spreading as quickly.